Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We are back out in the warehouse, and I have a fun new product for you. This is a Pentair Rebel Cleaning Head. So this is a two-wheel cleaner. We have lots and lots of them here, as you can see. And if you already have the hose, all the little fittings and everything you need for your swimming pool, but the gears are starting to go, tires are starting to go, other wearable items are starting to go, you can buy this for the fraction of a cleaner with the hosers. And you're going to get essentially a brand new cleaner. So this is brand new out of the box. You hook up your hose to it and you're good to go. So we have lots of these here, 2710 West Bell Road or ePoolSupply.com. We'd love to get you some of these Rebel heads. Come and get them while you can. Thank you guys. I'm Greg. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. We really appreciate all the love and support. Please make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we got a ton of content coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.